Hello everyone out there in YouTube land. This is Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, coming back again as always to you live and direct to encourage one another to live a life that is victorious in Christ Jesus and in Christ Jesus alone. As always, I pray and hope that all is well with you, and if not, if everything's not going the way you think it should go, just hold on, hang in there, be strong. Be courageous, be victorious, because this too shall pass. So I just wanted to come. I know I haven't done any grocery hauls in a very, very long time. I ran to the store. I actually went, had a little list to go and take care of a few things. Where did I go? I had a little list to pick up a few things, but I only went to the grocery store to pick up, I think I only got one thing or two things that I actually went to the grocery store for, because I went there and they had this great sale. Look at this chicken, guys. $2.68 for these whole chickens that I am going to be roasting. $2.82, I think it is. Then this one is $2.44, and I'm just going to be roasting these. I had no plans on getting any type of chicken because I'm so chickened out. I haven't had chicken in a long time. I mean, like, I had chicken, but I haven't really been preparing chicken or anything like that. So, and I hadn't planned on it, but they had this chicken for this price. They did this before, like 2 or 3 months ago. I went in there. I don't know what I was going for, but I looked in the meat department, and oh my goodness, chicken. They had big packs of chicken wings. They were 4 cents. If I still have the pictures of those, because I don't know if I did a video, I am definitely going to post those on either Facebook and or Instagram if I find those pictures. 4 cents. I'm telling you, I got about 4 of them. 4 cents. That's all that they had. Even the checkout young lady, she was like, huh? She was like, these are 4. I don't care, whatever. So anyway, so then they had these awesome sales. These jalapeno peppers were 5 cents a piece. Then the garlic bulbs, they were like 10 or 15 cents each. Then the red potatoes were 10 cents each. I mean, look at this, is a bag like you would almost get at the store. And this was $1 for because they're 10 cents each. Then I got some what do you call these things? 2 lovelies, and they smell so good. Pineapples as well, and they were $1 something. I have to look at my whatchamajigam. Got my staple bananas. Then that's what I went for. I went for bananas and went to go get like a cream of celery or either cream of chicken, because I want to make some dressing. Because I already I had some chicken parts in the kitchen, in the freezer. I was gonna make some dressing because I had some good broth and cornbread and all that kind of stuff in the freezer. So I was gonna make some dressing, chicken and dressing that I already had in the freezer. Man, and so I couldn't believe the price. Anyway, I couldn't believe it. So anyway, that's all I really went for, was the bananas, some cream of chicken, and some evaporated milk, which I wound up getting. I'm going to be making bean pies. I don't know if you guys love bean pies. I love bean pies. So good. So I got just a couple of those. I already have one evaporated milk. Then I got these peppers. These were 10 cents, I think, as well, a piece. So they have the Bosch and the red and the what do you call this other pear, whatever. These 3 different types of pears for just 10 or 15 cents. So I just got about 12 of those. Then I just got some bread. I love having bread every now and again, so I just got some bread. I think that's all I got. So then I went to Office Depot, OfficeMax. Love stationery stores, guys. I love office supply stores like nobody's business. So I just ran in there because I wanted to look around, because I was looking for something to put my little complimentary cards on, some little stuff that I want to hand out to people when you see them, just to offer them some type of hope or whatever. So I went just looking around. Plus, I wanted to see my rewards, to see what my rewards were on there. So, and I picked up some things, but I'm not going to show you what I picked up in the bag, but because they might be coming to your door. But anyway, but the things I saw some other things on clearance. So I got this. This is just a phone stand. Sorry about the glare. But yeah, this is a phone stand, so I just picked that up, and my goodness, you're not gonna believe it. So these things were over there, in the clearance aisle, but the guy was like, oh, this only costs, he said, I'm not even supposed to sell you this. But he gave me this good thing, this lovely good thing for 1 cent. Then this lovely good thing as well for 1 cent. Now this is very nice as well. You can use this as a planner or a notebook, however you want to use it. But he gave me both of these for 1 cent. I was like, oh Lord, that almost makes up for them, because they did mess up my rewards. It almost makes up for their rewards. But anyway, so and I just went to DT. I just got me some batteries for my Spin for Skin, my Vanity Fair skin brush. Just got some of those batteries. Got this. This is a 3-pack. I already took my pink one out. Got my favorite cotton rounds, although I don't really like their brand. It's too thin, but I do love cotton rounds. And I just got some nutmeg to go in my what do you call it? The bean pies that I'm going to make. Although I probably should have got a better brand, but I just got it anyway. So yeah, I mean, bargains. I didn't even go in for these things, but you know, little lovely bargains. So I paid $20, about $20 for these groceries. I think that's a good deal. 3 lovely packs of chicken. I'm going to put these in half, and I'm going to roast these and roast them with this garlic. Oh my goodness, they're going to be so good. One of them I think I might do with some liquid smoke. I haven't had liquid smoke in a long time. I don't think I really like liquid smoke, but I have one and it hasn't been open, and I need to use it. So anyway, that's all I want to show you. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you're having a great day. Let me know if you think that these are bargains. Even these, what I got from not Staples, but Office Depot, even that is, I think is a bargain. I went out, I didn't really go out for those things, but Lord knows I came back with them. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Love you so much. Don't forget, we do have a new channel, a new domestic channel that we'd like for you to check out. I will leave that information down in the description box. And if you subscribe, please don't forget to hit the notifications button so that you'll be notified when we have new videos. Love you very much. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now. Uh-oh, how do I do this?